ka mai, ka bika patos, ko'u inoa. Ua hele wau I ka Pūnana Leo, ko'u wā kamali'i, o wau ka mua o ko'u ʻohana e komo I kēia ʻano polokalamu. Ua haʻiwi e ia'u ka ʻike o ke kai kanaka maoli. Yeah. No laila, me ke la manao, ua maupopo wau. E hele ana ko'u mau keiki, ʻaohe koho. Yeah. He poho nā mea I ʻao ia ia'u, a ʻale wau e haʻiwi I ke la mau makana I ko'u keiki.
As Kumuka'o Matos welcomes her son and Mo'opuna to the school, the intergenerational impact of this kula is clear, and it was a goal that drove this mother to step forth as the first kahu and do whatever it took to provide this opportunity for her own keiki and others.
You know, it was a little bumpy at the beginning. We stand on the side of the road with our signs, support Hawaiian language in all places in our community. That occasion was 1987, and we have never looked back, only forward. I think the parents came together because they believed in the same thing. They wanted their children to be able to speak Hawaiian.
And for over 30 years, Pūnana Leo Maui has been putting our ʻōlelo Hawaii back into the ears and mouths of hundreds of Maui's keiki.
O ka oho'ola ʻōlelo wale no, o ia ka mea nui. E no nae, o ka mauli, ke kahi mea amako e ho'oulu nui ai. Ke la piko'u, no ka mea ke pukana keiki, ke hele I nā wahili ke ole, maupopo iaia o wai o ia. A o keia mea o ka ohana, I ke lakou, ka waiwai o ka lako kuleana, I loko ka ohana. Ina o ka waiho ana I ka lako mau kapi me ka mae he kuleana no. O ka noho ana me ke ia he kuleana no. O ke ola o ka ʻōlelo, ka ho'ola ana ka ʻōlelo, he kuleana no. No leila, he nani ke ia ano hānai ia o ke keiki.
I love my kumu because they're just wonderful with the keiki. But I really find the most rewarding part of my job is working with the parents. The families have been just wonderful. They've really grown here. You know, they're very supportive to their children. They're working really hard, they're putting food on their tables, and then I make them do a whole bunch of things here too. But I have found that the more that they put into this program, the more that they get out.
It's not a school just for the student or the individual, it's for the entire ohana or the whole family. That type of upbringing or educational system, and when you include everybody like that, you know that by their participating in your education, that they'll be there for you in the long run.
What I have seen from the graduates that have come from this program, I see them as wonderful citizens of this community. There's an understanding there, they're very grounded, they have this identity.
What I value so much about Pūnana Leo and Kaiapuni is that you learn the difference between cognitive accumulation, just learning something, and then you recognize what the difference is when you come from a foundation. And when you come from that foundation, you grow and learn more from that foundation. Then you can enter other spheres. I work for a real estate development firm. What I've learned from being here is having an advocate on the inside for the ancestral people, for the ancestral families of this place, helps their voices be heard even louder. That is the blessing of being grounded in a Kaiapuni and a Pūnana Leo papahana that allows for that opportunity to rise as we move into the future.
When we talk about malama ʻaina, for me, and I teach this in my classes as well, if we choose to live here, even if it's for a month or if it's for our whole lives, this place has a history and it has a people and it has a language. The word for water, ʻōlelo Hawaii, is vai. Everybody repeat after me, vai. This place has its own story. We need to learn that story.
And Pūnana Leo Maui has worked hard to ensure that this story is continually heard through our language. And while we are celebrating our accomplishments, we also look to what lies ahead.
The 30th celebration is just that. It's to celebrate that we have come so far and there's so much more we can do with this and go forward. With our current location, it suits us for 30 students. But when you see that there's so many other people that want to attend, and you know that there's sometimes even 90 applicants some years, and you can't take them all, how can we serve our community, all these people who want to learn the language? How can we better serve them? And haleho is the answer. Haleho is a huge idea. People are scared when they think about tackling building a new school. Are you crazy? But we are the makua that have experienced the vai, the richness of this program, and we want others to experience it as well.
People need to know that we're still here 30 years later. We're still moving forward. And if they want to be a part of this, they can come on and be a part of this. We have a lot to offer.
Mamua ko ho'okumu ia o ka Pūnana Leo ia ne'i, ʻaʻole I ike ia ke ala hele ai, o pō, ki ke eke e loa ke ala nui. Ano kana kolu makahiki, ʻaʻole I haʻawe pio, a o ke la hana nui aloha. O ke la ka mea e ola nei maloko keia hanauna hou. A I keia wā, no kala ko hana nui aloha ua ao ka pō.